This 2026 Thor Motor Coach 4 Winds 28Z is a Class C RV. It is located in Edinburgh, Indiana, 46124 and is offered for sale by Funtown RV, Indianapolis. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Thor Motor Coach is 30 feet 0 inches in length and features a SUNLIT Silver interior, sleeps 6, Slideout, and 40 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features rear bedroom. This 2026 Thor Motor Coach 4 Winds 28Z is built on a Ford E-Series chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.